Example 16. A square prism with side of base 40 mm and axis 65 mm long is parallel to both HP and VP. Draw the projections of the solid. The axis is 40 mm above HP and 42 mm in front of VP. So here we have a square prism which is parallel to both the planes. This is very important point here. It is parallel to both the planes. And also it is mentioned that the axis is at a distance from HP and VP. It is 40 mm above HP and 42 mm in front of VP. So here we cannot assume the distance of solid from the VP and HP. We have to exactly take 40 mm. We have to take exactly 40 mm above HP and 42 mm in front of VP. So for drawing that figure, first we will draw the side view. Before that, we will imagine how to place this square prism in the first quadrant. So now the square prism is standing vertically upwards, that is perpendicular to HP. So I have rotated it so that it is now parallel to HP, but it is also parallel to vertical plane also. So I will rotate it further to make it parallel to VP also. So now you see that by rotating in this fashion, I am making this parallel to VP also. Now we will place this object in our first quadrant because we have the square prism parallel to both HP and VP now. So here you see that I have placed the object on the horizontal plane. So now when you view it from the front, wait a minute. So now when you view it from the front, there will be a rectangle, but here it is not resting on the horizontal plane, but some distance is given. It is mentioned that the square prism is 40 mm above HP. So I have to make this square prism go away. Like I have to maintain some distance between the axis and the horizontal plane. So for this reason, I will just raise this square prism from the above the HP. Now you see that I am raising it. For it, just take some distance here. Now I have taken some distance. When you view this from the top, you will find that there will be a rectangle, a simple rectangle with axis line, and in the front view also there will be a rectangle only, as we have seen already from this view. uh, Now you can see that the rectangle in the front view, and it is at some distance above the HP. Now we'll see how to draw this.
As it is parallel to both the planes, as done in the previous cases of cylinder and cone, we need to first draw the side view of this, and also we have already seen that side view is 40 mm square. There we go. 40 mm square is completed. Just drawing the diagonal to get the center. Observe also one thing, that it is mentioned the axis is 40 mm away from HP. So I need to take the distance of 40 mm, and then I have to draw the XY line. This is your XY line, and this distance is 40 mm. So this completes our side view. I'm just projecting these lines here to get the dimensions of this rectangle, and this rectangle is 65 mm. So I'm just directly drawing the 65 mm rectangle. This is simply our front view. you can see that axis is parallel to HP. Now I will draw the top view, which is again mentioned that the axis is 42 mm away from the VP. So we have to take this distance from the XY line again, 42 mm, 10, 20, 30, 40, 42. I'm just drawing the axis line here. And as this dimension is 40. Hence, this completes our top view. And as for the dimensioning part, we can dimension 65 anywhere here, here, or here. This is 65, and also it is mentioned that it is in front of VP 42 mm. So we have measured some distance 42. This is 40, and the side also 40 mm. So this was exercise number 16 complete. Thank you.
So this is the final solution of question number 16. When the square prism is parallel to both the planes, there will be two rectangles in front view and top view, and in the side view there will be a square, as you can see here.